한밤중 도로 위에서 펼쳐진 추격전.
Come on, hit it. He cut through third. Get your ass out the car. Get your ass to the back.
순간 또 다른 차량이 나타났고
What the fuck is this? Down.
Forget about the bag.
Let's get out of here. Come on, man. Let's go. Come on, fuck what's it?
갑자기 나타난 차량이 먼저 도주하며 상황은 종료되죠.
What the fuck was that? I'm not sure. How much is in it? The bag is heavy. Shit, just from my eyes. Hey man, listen, I ain't got my calculator with me, but they gotta be like 7 or 8 million.
한밤중 약을 훔친 이 남자의 이름은 빈센트였고
I got called for a double, so you gotta take Thomas to his.
그의 직업은 놀랍게도 경찰이었습니다. 그리고 정의감 넘치는 여경 브라이언트.
Guys at the department are concerned about your recent meeting. Why don't you tell me what happened in your own words?
Thought I was walking into a controlled situation. We knew the lab was there and someone was paid to look the other way. Because this city is crawling with dirty cops.
그녀는 요즘 부패 경찰이 많다는 것에 화가 나 있었고
So at 0427, a squad car got a shots fired call. And out the shots fired, went into an alley off of 3rd Street where they found two.
Oh, we'll take that. Me and Cass.
All right, hotshot. Cheers.
Yeah. Gotta control this case. We'll control the case. We'll control the evidence.
어제 저질렀던 사건을 직접 맡아 정리하려는 빈센트.
Looking for this?
I'm looking for everything. This is down. It's homicide.
Jennifer Bryant.
I was just looking out for a fellow officer.
We should look into that, Sherlock.
빈센트는 현재 아내와 이혼한 상태였고
Some flowers. That's why I was running late.
Thank you.
Well, what is this? What kind of ring is it?
It's an engagement ring.
Which is this? You want to spend the rest of your life his father? I'm his father.
I know you.
You gotta respect that, D.
He's gotta go. His game is now.
All right, baby, enjoy your dad.
Drop him off by 9 p.m.
Want some flowers? Come here and tell me about Dave. Supposed to be man to man on that. You're supposed to let me know what's going on.
You don't care where I live, who I live with.
I love you, man. I love you. It's just.
일이 바빠 집에서는 영 사랑받지 못하는 아빠였죠.
Check it out. Figure you better have your mind made up if you can't take it back.
그 순간 괴한들이 나타나 아들 토마스를 납치했고
Yeah, I learned you have something that's mine.
Get you product. You heard him. You know what it is.
Get your stuff, and I'll bring it right to you.
What's up with you?
You messed up, Cass.
What you mean? Stealing from Rubino. You was stealing from Novak. You got us fucked up. What you doing? I need that bag. Hey, listen, you know I wouldn't do it. I fix it. Calm down.
You don't do this to family, okay, please? I'm so sorry.
A friend of mine gave me some cell phone records from your phone to the DEA.
Sorry, I was with this girl in Agua Prieta, all right? And
DEA bus. My cut house raided last week. Cut off his tongue.
please don't do this to me.
No, his coach called and said he missed the game. Where is he?
T and I had a little fight, so I'm gonna go get him right now.
Find him.
그리고 빈센트의 차를 몰래 따라가고 있는 한 차량. 바로 브라이언트였습니다.
There. Follow me.
There was a man in here a few minutes ago.
What are you doing? This is the men's room.
Knew it.
Where are my drugs?
Where's my son?
Dad!
We didn't know the drugs was yours.
That cocaine is supposed to go to the Novak.
Drugs. Got the rest stashed. I'll get it to you when I get my son. Bring it back in 10 minutes. Get my son.
Dad!
10 minutes!
Hello?
I followed Vincent down to the Lexus.
Hid 23 kilos of coke in the ceiling of the men's bathroom.
Waiting out front for you.
그 시각 롬노박이 물건을 챙기러 이곳에 왔고
Get the stuff now. Stand. Please.
Whatever you're looking for, that lady cop was already.
You have a garbage bag? I need to get that garbage bag. My father's watch. I need you.
Guys bringing the stuff to my office. Just be a few more minutes. Something wrong? No, everything's fine.
Thanks. No.
Much longer? A few minutes? So, where is my goddamn cocaine?
I'd like to run a locker, please.
Check every monitor?
Yes, I lost them. Hey, I say you meet me outside.
Novak and his guys turn up and they're meeting with Rubino.
Where'd you put the drugs?
Put him in the locker in the spa. We'll bring down the Novaks and have an internal bust at the same time.
브라이언트는 빈센트에게 전화했고
Brad, I need that bag.
Why don't we meet up and talk about it?
일단 상황이 급한 그는 그녀를 만날 여유가 없었죠. 설탕으로 가짜 액을 만들었고
Mr. Rubino has requested a bottle of Cristal sent to his office.
I see you there. Finally join us. Why have we been sitting around waiting on
A lot
you?
of cops downstairs.
All of you?
Think so. Cause I'm a cop. Easy.
미리 샴페인을 주문했던 빈센트는 마치 경찰이 찾아온 것처럼 위장했고
Looking for Mr. Rubino?
Gotta go.
These stairs lead to the garage.
덕분에 이곳에서 약이 진짜인지 제대로 확인하지 못하게 했죠.
Go on, get your son. Get the fuck out of my casino. Stop the fucking car.
이제서야 약이 가짜인 줄 알게 된 롬노박.
Dad.
Hey, son. So,
Hey, Rob. You don't give me product. You give me sugar.
What? Just give me some time.
Don't worry about it.
What do you mean, don't worry about it?
Come on, let's go this way.
What? Oh, shit. Thought you out doing something good and you out here fucking selling drugs.
undercover. I've been working this case for 2 years. You're the only one that knows. Okay.
Come on, Dad, come on. Come on, Dad.
Any sign of him? I want you to tell every cop on our payroll.
You make a scene, I'll fucking kill you.
덤비는 인파 속에서 토마스를 놓치고 말죠.
What are you doing here, Stanley? Looks like you've done pretty damn well for yourself. Open it. Is that a tongue? My cousins. So I'm giving you 1 hour.
You get him? No. And the product ain't here either.
I'm gonna go down to the garage, see if I can find something in his car.
Vincent Downs is long gone. All right, he beat it.
Get some sleep.
Get some rest, honey.
Going up.
Dirty son of a bitch. I knew you were a dirty cop.
You don't know shit. I'm off the books. Been working undercover for 2 years. 2 fucking years.
사실 빈센트는 2년이 넘는 기간 가족들에게 미움받으면서까지 큰 사건을 비밀 수사 중인 입장이었죠.
But you gonna learn today. Come on.
Why don't you call for fucking backup?
Because I can't trust anybody. Where them drugs?
Woman's spa.
Where?
32.
Are you in on this? With your father?
그런데 급하게 나가다 문을 열어둔 상태로 가버렸고 토마스는 이곳에서 핸드폰을 가지고 도망칩니다.
Downs is still here.
What?
He's headed to the locker in the spa.
I need the key to locker 32. Shit.
이어 브라이언트의 동료 데니슨이 나타났고 빈센트는 데니슨을 제압하는 데 성공합니다.
Hey, Dad! Tell me where you are. I'm in this club.
그때 폰의 배터리가 나가버렸고 이어 빈센트의 동료 션이 이곳에 도착합니다.
Damn. Look like shit, partner. Tell me you not internal affairs.
We've been friends 20 years. You gonna fucking rat on me? What do you mean rat on you? Gotta rock with me. I get Thomas.
그때 빈센트를 쫓던 자가 나타나 션에게 총을 쏴버렸고
Stay with me. Look at me, sir.
Tell you something. First thing anybody says when they go down is I'm undercover.
New things about me, my case. Even if he's lying.
What the hell is going on?
It's all good.
Everything I'm due is about you and him. You know, it's always been that, right? I gotta call you right back.
Vin?
Dina?
Yeah, it's Dennison. I have created the mess this morning. Now you clean it up.
그런데 알고 보니 데니슨과 션은 둘 다 부패 경찰로 계속 연락을 주고받았고 일이 틀어지자 빈센트까지 죽일 생각을 하고 있었죠.
Does Vincent Downs know who I am? Go fuck yourself.
이 자리에서 살아있는 션을 몰래 제거해버리는 데니슨.
You see any shell casings over there?
No.
Mine's dead too. You stay here with the bodies. I'm gonna lead them in.
You trying to take me down?
You go down, I go down. Got every name, every cop, every detail, every job I ever did. Can't touch me. Just do your fucking job.
We clear.
Where are my fucking drugs?
Can and will be used against you in the court of law.
They're headed to the garage. All right, meet me downstairs. Don't let them leave the garage.
Jump out. No matter what happens, you keep driving. Oh shit!
Thomas, are you okay?
Fine! You stay down!
I want my fucking drugs!
Novak, coming out!
I have everything on me. I know where the drugs are.
가족을 지키기 위해 직접 나선 빈센트.
Vincent Downs.
Hurry up, Mom. Hurry up.
노박은 이곳에서 최후를 맞이하죠.
All right, Thomas, there's another towel in the back, okay?
Get my phone.
Okay.
Hello.
브라이언트에게 션과 데니슨의 대화를 들려주는 빈센트.
Now you clean it up. Take Downs out.
그녀도 이제야 데니슨이 부패 경찰임을 알게 됩니다.
It's okay. Don't worry. I work for the Novaks. Keep driving.
Requesting immediate help!
Rubino went crazy. Grabbed my gun. Brian didn't make it.
그러나 죽지 않고 살아있었던 브라이언트.
Russ, that fucker.
Established TKO. ETA 90 right. EP is ready. Looks like she's in consciousness. Stay with us.
Hey, Mom.
It's all right.
I think you kicked the hornet's nest today.
Yeah, we did that. I'm a good cop.
I know.
이렇게 해피엔딩으로 영화는 막을 내립니다. 멀지 않은 미래 인류의 기술은 점점 더 진화했고 기술의 발달에도 불구하고 아날로그적 삶을 추구하는 남자 그레이. 그에게는 사랑하는 아내 아샤가 있었습니다.
Oh, working hard, I see.
Evening playlist 1. Also, you've run out of eggs.
Order them.
그레이는 차를 수리하는 정비공이었고
Oh, I gotta drop the car off to this guy tonight. This is all done.
그는 차를 맡긴 손님의 집이 엄청나다며 아샤에게 함께 가자 제안하죠.
You're coming with me, and believe me, you're gonna want to see this guy's house.
한참을 달려 도착한 곳은 어느 한 바닷가.
What, he lives behind the rocks?
Oh, just you wait.
바위 아래 지하로 연결되는 길이 있었고
Man, what is the thing that you're touching?
It's my cloud.
I'd like you to meet my wife, Ash.
You're Aaron Keane, own Vessel Computers. Oh my god.
에론은 AI 분야에서 유명한 회사의 CEO였습니다.
I would like to introduce you to my present. I call it STEM. It can drive anything, talk to anything, calculate anything.
Can I make babies and play football? Look at that thing. I see 10 guys on an unemployment line.
You should try not to argue with that guy. It's your last paying customer.
Okay, so what's a guy like me supposed to do when his widget starts?
Here. Some benefits. Not having to keep your eyes on the road.
Please put your seatbelts on.
그런데 둘이 뜨거운 시간을 보내는 동안 차는 목적지와 다른 곳으로 이동했고
Hey, honey, where are we? I mean, we're going in the exact opposite direction of our house.
I'm sorry. There has been an error.
차량의 인공지능은 말을 듣지 않고 계속 어디론가 이동했죠.
Damn it, stop!
Let me try this.
고속으로 달리다 결국 전복되어 버린 차.
Emergency services have been contacted.
그 순간 또 다른 차량이 그들 앞에 나타나는데요.
Here to help.
Here you go.
Back up! Back up!
Stay right there, Clyde.
이들은 도움을 주러 온 느낌이 아니었습니다.
What are you doing? Put your mask back on! Don't you fucking touch us!
Learn a woman like yourself. Looking down on her.
No! Asha! Asha!
둘은 총에 맞고 말았고
Ash, I can't get to you. Okay, I'm right here. I'm right here, okay? No, Ash, no, please.
결국 아샤는 세상을 떠나고 말았습니다. 그레이 또한 척추가 손상되어 전신이 마비되었습니다.
These robotic arms are fully capable of preparing meals.
아날로그의 삶을 추구하던 그가 이젠 AI의 도움을 받아야 했고
I think we'll be fine from here.
Charging now complete.
그의 삶에는 더 이상 아무런 희망도 남아있지 않았습니다.
May I ask if Asha will be joining us for...
You don't have to stay here day and night. I'll pretty much do everything for me.
이제 혼자선 아무것도 할 수 없는 신세가 되었죠. 그리고 이번 강도 사건을 맡게 된 코르테즈 형사.
Detective Cortez.
Hi, Greg. You know, I'm from New Crown, Greg. Like you.
So what do you have?
We don't know yet.
현장엔 경찰의 드론도 있었지만 아직까지 알아낸 것이 없었고
I understand your frustration. I do.
I know I can't tie my shoes anymore. Administer PM medicine. Administer PM medicine. Problem again.
I cannot administer any more medication. I will contact an ambulance to transport you to a...
극단적인 선택까지 생각하는 그레이였습니다. 다음날 병원에 입원 중이던 그레이 앞에 에론이 찾아왔고
I don't leave my house very often. Must be frustrating for you. Sorry, was that inappropriate?
The fuck do you want, Aaron?
What if I told you I could offer you something that would enable you?
저번에 보여줬던 칩 스템으로 그레이를 다시 걷게 해주겠다는 에론.
STEM would bridge that gap away from official, but it would have to be our secret.
Here's the thing, kid. I'm looking for the off switch.
They can't bring her back, Gray. They just might be able to bring you back. What would she want?
에론의 말에 아샤에 대해 생각하게 된 그레이. 결국 비밀리에 수술을 받기로 결정합니다.
This is a world first. The key is to let it grow into itself.
You shouldn't be expecting unreasonable results so soon.
Oh my god.
수술한 사람들의 예상보다도 수술의 효과는 엄청났고
Now try to stand.
그레이는 스템으로 인해 다시 몸을 움직일 수 있게 되었습니다. 이어 비밀홈스 계약에 서명했고
You're the one doing it all. You're not a robot and give STEM a command. He makes it happen.
성공적으로 수술을 마친 후 집으로 돌아온 그레이.
Another package from Detective Cortez has been delivered.
하지만 형사가 보내준 자료를 봐도 아무런 단서를 얻을 수 없었는데
May I point something out?
갑자기 어디선가 목소리가 들려왔죠.
Okay, who's saying that?
I am STEM, the system operating your body for you.
I've gone insane. I'm fucking insane.
I have been observing everything you've observed.
Do you? Wait, can anybody else hear you?
No, only you.
Can you read my mind?
No, I can only discern speech when you talk.
스템은 이어 드론이 촬영한 영상의 단서를 알려줍니다.
Can't you see it? The man who shot your wife, there's no gun in his hand. Gun implanted inside his hand. The man who took Ash's purse, in the left of frame, there is a marking on his wrist.
I don't see it.
I do. I've rebuilt the image. Just relax and let me draw.
It's a military tattoo, I think.
Address 414 Citrus, New Crown.
You just found this guy. I got you, you sons of bitches. Call Detective Cortez.
Do you have evidence to prove that? Aaron has forbidden you to tell anyone about me. You need to be positive it's him before you alert the police.
스템의 조언으로 그레이는 혼자 주소를 찾아갔고 집이 빈 것을 확인하고 집 안으로 들어가 봅니다.
I suggest you remove your shoes. Gray, the table. Say messages.
Messages.
The name Old Bones keeps being mentioned.
올드본즈는 동네에 있는 술집 이름이었고 생각보다 별다른 단서를 찾지 못하고 있던 그 순간 밖에서 누군가 집에 돌아온 기척이 느껴졌습니다.
Hide behind the shelf. Wait, now, while you have the advantage.
하지만 싸움 경험과 결단이 부족했던 그레이는 오히려 당하고 말았고
I don't know how you found me. You do that. That was someone else.
Let me know if you need my help, Gray. I need your permission to operate. Just relax.
God damn! Stay down, man. Stop him!
스템은 이 남성을 살해한 후에야 통제권을 다시 그레이에게 넘겼습니다.
Any traces of your presence here?
I just killed somebody.
I would suggest that you rid the house of all your fingerprints.
Body that came in from New Crown yesterday.
다음날 코르테즈 형사가 이 사건에 대해 듣게 되었고
What about the boot print we-scraped from the front porch?
Old-fashioned engine grease.
흔적을 보아 그레이가 벌인 지심을 의심하게 됩니다. 에런 또한 이 사실을 알고 있었고
It means you have a piece of my property inside of you. I would let that property out of my sight for even 1 second. Did you forget that this operation was to be done in secret?
He knows everything. Don't lie to him.
Drone footage archives.
Mention to me that the thing talks.
STEM talks to you?
And a suspect named Gray Trace.
That if you were to say, commit murder, putting you back in a wheelchair for life.
코르테즈는 그레이가 의심스러웠지만 그의 몸은 마비되었기에 혼란스러웠죠. 이어 그레이를 찾아간 그녀.
She just checked the sole of your boots. You left a print.
Listen, when I said I didn't have any news earlier, I kind of lied.
어제의 사건에 대해 대놓고 물어봅니다.
I saw you on a drone camera right around the time that it happened.
Because I got a really solid alibi here. You haven't.
Strange that you were at that location at that time is all.
Look, you could stab me in the leg if you wanna.
스템의 존재를 모르는 코르테즈는 결국 단서를 잡을 수 없었습니다.
Is that all?
Yeah.
하지만 그의 복수는 아직 끝나지 않았죠.
What should I do? I want to find these guys, but I don't want to kill anybody else.
You would have to go there in person.
그는 메시지에서 봤던 올드본즈라는 술집을 찾아갔고
This place looks dangerous. We'll need a plan.
무슨 계획이 있는지 그대로 술집에 들어서죠.
Hi, everybody. Excuse me. Can I have everybody?
I know that some scumbag in here knows one of the guys. Any information about the killing of my wife, you just raise your hand.
그 말에 한 남자가 나섰고
So you knew Cirque? Oh, you gonna hit me? Cirque said something similar right before I damn near cut his head off.
그레이는 남자를 도발하는 데 성공했고
No, I don't have to go to the bathroom.
그는 그레이를 으슥한 화장실로 데려왔습니다.
Now, if that's true, then you're faking this wheelchair.
We're there the night my wife was murdered. Are you one of them? Is that a gun implanted in your arm too? Like your friend had?
Yeah, I was.
Stem, you can take over.
순식간에 적들을 모두 제압했고
Tell me where they are. Stem, what do I do?
Use the knife.
I can't do it.
I can do it for you.
Who are you talking to?
No.
Okay, enough, Stem, enough!
He will now answer any question you ask him.
Tell me something. Who paid you?
그때 원격에서 이를 지켜보던 에론이 시스템을 중단하려 했고
To inform you that Aaron is attempting to shut me down remotely. We need to find a computer hacker who can counter Aaron's code. Go to an apartment building at 7th and Spring, apartment 514. As soon as he shuts me down, he will send a security team from Vessel to retrieve.
스템이 정지되면 또다시 몸이 마비되기에 그는 스템의 말에 따릅니다.
5, this is the place.
What's
I
happening?
am only operating at 70% capacity.
실시간으로 에론이 스템의 시스템을 중지시키고 있었고
The stairs, there's no time.
그 시각 피스크가 사건이 있었던 화장실에 나타났죠. 최첨단 기술로 이를 그레이가 한 지심을 알아냈고
He's at 7th and Spring. You didn't deserve this.
그레이는 겨우 스템이 말한 장소에 도착하죠.
I have money! Shit! What I don't have is time.
이곳에서 시스템을 해킹할 해커를 만납니다.
Which one?
The one on my neck.
Just decided to stand by while our friend was.
피스크는 가게 주인에게 잘못을 물었고
Just leave. I'll clean up your goddamn mess.
It's okay, my friend.
Achoo!
피스크가 보낸 최첨단 나노봇 공격에 가게 주인은 순식간에 당하고 말았죠. 해커는 스템을 해킹하기 시작했고
What are they doing?
They are?
Why someone would choose to live in a fake world. I'm kind of in a hurry. The thing is that I'm gonna need you to do this fast.
I've never seen a system like this before.
I did what you asked. When your system's rebooted, could take a while.
What do you do? You packing up shop? Can't leave me like this!
I'm sorry.
나중에 에론 회사의 직원들도 이곳에 도착했고 피스크는 거의 접근한 상태지만 아직 스템은 재부팅하지 못했죠.
Stem, wake up!
It's good to be back, Gray.
드디어 재부팅에 성공한 스템.
The door, to your left. Stop, Gray. There is nowhere left to run.
한편 스템을 잃고 불안감에 빠진 에론이었죠. 순간 그레이의 눈앞에 아샤가 보였고
No, this wasn't a dream.
그때 바로 코르테즈 형사가 그를 만나러 왔죠.
I was wondering where you were last night. You just keep showing up in these unsavory places.
또다시 그레이를 의심하는 형사.
I'm gonna find these guys.
Maybe you already have.
Tell her to scan your phone
Okay,
records.
well then scan my phone
If
record.
you are involved in this somehow, then you need to let me know.
You wanna help me? You go and find these guys who killed Ash.
이대로 돌아가는 척하지만 몰래 도청기를 설치했고
This has to stop.
What has to stop? If you don't find the last of them, he'll find you and kill you.
Fuck out of my head! What's going on?
I'm not doing anything. You are still a quadriplegic.
그때 충격적인 발언을 하는 스템.
I no longer need your permission to act.
해킹을 할 때 스템은 그레이의 승낙 없이도 자율권을 가져갈 수 있도록 조치해 두었죠. 이제는 자유롭게 움직이는 스템. 그레이는 이제야 도청 장치를 발견했고
I assume that she's following you right now.
Lights, sirens.
Your vehicle is not electronic.
스템은 코르테즈가 탄 차를 조종할 수 없었죠.
It's up to you now.
Okay, buckle up.
이렇게 둘의 치열한 추격전이 이어지는데
Yeah, I got you.
Perhaps I can help.
Okay, how?
스템은 자율주행 차량을 발견했고 그 차를 조종하기 시작하죠.
Stop! Stop the car!
그렇게 그레이가 도착한 곳은 바로 피스크의 집이었습니다.
Put your hands up. And don't turn around and...
Now I'm like you. I'm strong. Me, because I shot your wife. But your story is the same as mine. You're better than everyone else. Stronger, faster. I want to help you. I want you to stand with us. The job wasn't your wife.
Bullshit.
The job was you. To sever your spine. Your wife, well, she was just a bit of extra.
피스크는 스탠보다 더 뛰어난 무력을 가지고 있었죠.
He's predicting my every move. I'm unable to effectively hit him.
No shame.
We have exhausted all tactical options. Do something, Gray.
자신이 죽였던 피스크의 부하들을 이야기하며 도발했고
Split them open. It took forever because you wailed.
그러자 피스크에게도 빈틈이 생깁니다.
He said you were a job. That means someone paid him.
피스크를 제거했지만 이 사건에 진짜 흑막이 있었고
Listen to me, Fisk. He's going to find you.
You know what this means, Gray.
We're not finished yet.
그 정체는 바로 에론이었습니다.
Widget you spent your entire life creating. Kill you now.
You killed my wife.
I swear on my life, I had nothing to do with that.
Hold it, Gray.
그때 나타난 코르테즈 형사.
He's the one who killed Asher, Detective. Arrest him. He's right there.
Hands behind your head.
No, don't touch him!
I'm sorry.
She wants to kill us.
No, I don't want to kill her.
Don't fight me, Gray.
Fuck you!
하지만 스템은 또다시 멋대로 움직였고
Stop it. Use the taser.
I don't run this company anymore. I haven't for years.
사실 몇 년 전부터 스템은 에런과 그의 회사 모두를 통제하고 있었고
Ask him what his wife would want.
What would she want?
이는 스템이 그레이를 선택해 그의 몸에 들어갈 모든 환경을 만들었던 것이었습니다.
Did pick you. Should be honored. Pure specimen without computer implants.
You're the one I've been looking for.
And would you not agree it was all worth it? Mistakes that would have brought suspicion back to
Please.
No, not in control. I am.
Steph.
I'm here. Hey.
스템은 그레이를 가상세계로 보내버렸고
Gray, this isn't you.
I've taken over now. All I needed was for his mind to break, and he broke it.
그렇게 스템은 그레이를 완전히 정복해버리며 영화는 이렇게 막을 내립니다.
Every living person on this planet has their own view.
인간의 눈을 연구하는 과학자 이안.
My name is Dr. Ian Gray, and I'm a scientist. I began taking as many pictures of eyes as I possibly could. I'd like to tell you the story of the eyes that changed my world. It was Halloween 8 years ago.
8년 전 이안은 할로윈 파티에서 한 여성을 만나게 되고
You okay?
I'm watching the moon.
Can I take a picture of your eyes?
이안은 그녀에게 사진을 한 장 부탁합니다.
Where are you from?
Another planet.
이들은 뜨거운 감정에 불타게 되는데
You're not gonna regret this anymore.
이안의 한마디에 그녀는 사라지고 말았습니다. 그렇게 아무런 정보 없이 그녀를 떠나보냈고
Finished that transcription factor program this morning. Cause bitch, I don't play. I got a new rotating student. It's first year.
Karen.
Hi, Ian. Follow me?
이안은 카렌에게 자신이 진행 중인 연구에 대해 소개했습니다.
Is the new rotating lab assistant your job? Be a glorified note taker. Anyway, this is one step in a very. If you find that PAX6 gene, we'll be well on our way to all of that.
이안의 연구는 PAX6라는 물질을 찾는 것이 키포인트였고
I don't know her face, but she had these most amazing eyes.
그는 할로윈에서 만난 여자의 눈이 특별하다 느꼈지만 다시 만날 수 있는 방법이 없었고 그렇게 며칠이 흐른 어느 날
How much is that? 11. Lucky 11.
그가 탄 버스도 11번 버스였고 혹시나 버스에서 그녀를 만날 수 있을까 했지만 아무런 소득 없이 버스에서 내리게 됩니다. 그런데 앞에 있는 전광판에서 그녀의 눈이 보였고 이안은 곧바로 그녀의 신원을 찾아낼 수 있었습니다. 하지만 그녀를 만나기란 쉽지 않았는데 지하철을 탄 어느 날 우연히 그녀를 찾을 수가 있었습니다.
So are you gonna want to tell me where you're from?
And when I was 11, I moved house with my...
Why did you sleep with me that night?
I had the feeling that I had known you. Like we are connected from past lives.
I don't believe in that. I'm a scientist. I believe in data.
이안은 과학자로 종교나 신을 부정하고 있었고 반대로 소피는 영적인 세계를 믿고 있었습니다. 하지만 달라서였을까요? 둘은 오히려 깊은 사랑에 빠지게 되고
I started to see these 11s. Like when I found them, I found your eyes, which then led me to you. So like life itself.
I send them to you.
Bullshit.
You know you have it,
Of
but
what?
you're scared of it. Okay. You live in this room, right? Desk, chair, lamps. You have a door to the other side, see? Light comes through. You keep trying to close that door because you're scared.
What's behind the door?
You have to go in to find out. You want to move to my place.
Can I move in tomorrow?
얼마 후 이들은 함께 동거를 시작하게 되고 얼마 지나지 않아 결혼까지 약속하게 됩니다.
Can I help you?
We'd like to get married.
You're gonna have to wait 24 hours before you can actually get married.
Okay. All right. Yeah. So we can't get married. Hello.
그 순간 이안에게 걸려온 한 전화.
I found the PAC-6 master switch.
Holy sh!
Right now, I feel like I'm gonna piss myself. Can you just come in here?
I have to go into the lab right now. Technically, it's not our wedding day today. Sophie, please come in with me. It's really important.
그렇게 연구실로 향하는 이안.
This is Sophie. This is Karen. Karen, this is Sophie.
So I have this gel.
And inner lines.
하지만 소피의 표정은 계속 굳어져 갔고
You know, I'm gonna go take a shower.
이를 눈치챈 카렌이 자리를 피해줍니다.
It was nice to meet you.
Amazing stuff. Karen, what's wrong?
Leave me every day, torture little worms.
Modifying organisms.
Can make blind worms see? You think that's a good idea?
Do you think it's a bad idea?
It's dangerous to play.
대화 중 순간 사고로 이안의 눈에 화학물질이 들어가 버렸고
Call Karen! Fucking call Karen now!
카렌이 와서 다행히 상황은 정리되었습니다.
I think you're gonna be fine.
You okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, of course.
돌아가는 길 엘리베이터를 tab승하는데
Oh, we're in the middle of 2 floors. Like, we stop.
She called the superintendent.
Your friend is dead.
안 좋은 상황이 계속되자 서로 감정적으로 되었죠.
Want me to call Karen?
Don't be a tree.
불안한 상황에 이안은 탈출을 시도했고
I'll boost you up.
You're so scared. Come on.
Sophia, come on!
Give me your hand.
그런데 순간 무언가 떨어지며 소피의 하반신이 절단되었고
Sophie?
그대로 목숨을 잃게 됩니다. 그렇게 사랑하는 소피를 떠나보낸 이안, 그는 큰 절망에 빠져 살게 됩니다.
Hello?
Can I come over?
Maybe.
It has not. We did it. Mutations are holding.
이안은 카렌에게 위로를 받았고 그로부터 7년의 시간이 흐르게 됩니다. 이안의 연구는 성공적으로 마무리되었고
The book is The Complete Eye.
그는 카렌과 결혼해 아이까지 가지게 되었습니다. 하지만 이안은 여전히 소피를 잊지 못했고
I never do this.
얼마 후 이들의 아이가 태어났고
A new identification measure taken up by the more sophisticated is just taking photo of the eye.
아이는 홍채 스캔을 받게 되는데
These systems are sort of new. Can you?
알 수 없는 남성이 인식되었습니다. 얼마 후 이안에게 걸려온 한 전화.
Where you and your wife gave birth in July. Simple tests on Tobias. The possibility of early autism. Alarming rush, but you could see him today.
아이의 검사를 위해 이들은 병원에 방문하게 되고
I'm not sure I understand how this is testing. Tracking the child's eye movements and attractions.
한 할머니의 사진을 보자 울음을 터뜨리는 아이.
Okay, that's enough. I'm gonna.
The test is over.
집에 돌아온 이안은 검사의 이상함을 느꼈고
Dr. Simmons is up to something child autism might
Anything
have.
specific about the images? Something.
Dan's Diner in Boise, Idaho.
Well, that's a real place.
얼마 후 이안은 사진이 나왔던 장소로 직접 찾아가 보죠. 이곳에서 홍채 스캔이 잘못되었던 남자의 딸을 만나게 되고
Paul Edgar Derry. Are you related to him?
Yes, he's my father.
How you doing there?
심지어 아이가 울었던 사진 속 할머니는 그의 아내였습니다.
No, the iris biometrics is not based.
So maybe Tobias and Paul have the same iris. Paul Edgar Derry dies before Tobias is.
You guys sound like crazy people, okay? What is this connection referencing?
So Paul and Tobias have the same iris patterns.
이들은 홍채의 패턴이 같은 경우가 또 있는지를 찾아보는데
Run my father, Tobias George Gray.
And he's registered.
Try my uncle Basil. Not my grandparents.
Okay.
Not found.
Registered.
Sophie,
Okay, try Sophie.
Okay.
그런데 소피를 조사해보자 인도의 한 여자가 조회되었고
His coordinates say that she was scanned in a community center in Delhi, India.
That's an error. I need to get some air.
You should go to India. There is someone there with Sophie's exact iris pattern. A neurological link.
Like you hold any validity in
There, I
there?
can't go back there. I can't go back to that part of my life.
I gotta just let it go.
The man I married, I don't think he would let his own grief. This is bigger than you, bigger than Sophie.
You're so fucking stubborn.
결국 이안은 인도로 오게 됩니다. 하지만 사람이 너무 많아 찾기가 쉽지 않았는데
I'm like the boss of this place. I have a very strange quest. Thing is, I don't have their name. All I have is a picture of their eyes. This is what their eyes look like. It may not be this exact color.
운 좋게도 이 여자는 눈을 보고 누군지 알 것 같다 말합니다.
Okay, this doesn't make sense. These are her eyes. This isn't her face.
Salomina. Sweet girl, very smart girl.
Could you help me find her? It's very important. Please.
You meet me tomorrow
At 12. Over 1 million people living in this 30-block radius.
हाँ सालमीना यहाँ पास में रहती थी कभी थोड़े दिन हुए हैं अब जब से दिखाई
What'd she say?
A million people living in a 10 block, and it'd be impossible to find her.
Flew halfway around the world. You should keep looking.
You're mad.
Someone she knows will see it.
이안은 광고판까지 활용하며 그녀를 찾았고
How old is your niece? 18. Thank you. No. Sorry. Wrong person.
the eyes you took up the advertisement 24.
Sorry.
하지만 며칠이 지나도 아무런 단서도 얻을 수 없었습니다.
Dr. Gray, are you religious?
I'm not religious. It's based on scripture written by men thousands of years ago. In science, every generation improves upon them.
What would you do if something science disproved your religious beliefs? Look at all the research and really try to understand if evidence disproved I would change.
It's a good answer.
If something spiritual disproved your scientific beliefs.
Hello, love.
It's been weeks. I think you should come back.
For more matches, we try again.
그 순간 한 소녀를 발견한 이안. 한눈에 자신이 찾던 자임을 알 수가 있었습니다.
Do you speak English?
Little.
What's your name?
Salvina.
Are you hungry?
Yes.
Come on.
Priya, I found her. I'm going to the hotel.
What's your favorite food?
Strawberry.
이안은 살로미나를 안심시키고 몇 가지 테스트를 진행해 봅니다.
Blue and green.
Very good.
Are you there?
Yeah.
I want to show you something that will take your breath away. Salamina, this is Karen. Okay. Let's start. Alpha. Joker, incorrect. Chemo, incorrect.
하지만 실험 결과는 예상과 달리 통일성이 없었고
A touch above random by unfortunately standard margin. How do you feel?
I think numbers don't lie.
I didn't ask what you think. I asked what you feel.
Kind of foolish.
I'll see you soon.
I made my back test.
No, you did fine. It's just a stupid test.
이안은 살로미나를 돌려보내고 자신도 돌아갈 생각이었는데 엘리베이터를 무서워하는 것을 보고 그녀임을 확신할 수가 있었습니다. 전에 이안과 소피가 대화했던 문이 나오고 이안이 이 문을 나가는 장면을 마지막으로 영화는 끝이 납니다.